Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my Catchall, which is the classic size happy planner, and it is the Teresa Collins. I am going to be using the new Kellofaplan stickers, and since they are meant to be rainbow, I am going to be making a rainbow today. So this is for the week of April 5th through 11th. I am so excited about this. The only thing I knew I wanted to do, I knew it was going to be a rainbow. And I think I'm going to do a middle one, like middle row rainbow, and see how that comes out. I am in love with those stickers. I am so happy that I bought more than one book. So I have duplicate. And I couldn't be happier because these stickers, oh my lord, are they gorgeous. So I did not plan ahead this time specifically, knowing that these stickers come out. I mean, I had alerts set up, I had everything set up. That's how excited I was. Okay, so this is why. And I know the red is the first one, but I'm gonna do it backwards. So instead of starting with red, I'm gonna finish on red. I'm kind of going to go backwards. And then I'm gonna use the boxes from Kellofaplan as well. I think they're so great and they fit the classic size heavy planner perfectly. And I'm gonna use her little bullet points as well. And I'm gonna cut them in half because they are kind of large. So I'm using my retractable little knife and it works amazingly. And I'm just gonna put half dots into that box like so, and then I'm gonna put half box on the top as well. I think I'm not sure yet if that's gonna look great, so at least I'm going to try it on. I hope everybody's doing okay and that everybody is healthy and happy. And while I'm pulling up some stickers, I just wanted to say thank you. If you are subscribed to my channel already, thank you so much. I appreciate it so very much. And if you are first time visiting, welcome. I hope you like it here. Hopefully you will have fun watching my spreads and creations. So let me lift that sticker up. There. I'm just gonna put those little pieces back. Who knows, I might need a couple leaves one day, right? Who knows? Again, these stickers are absolutely gorgeous. I am really obsessed. So I'm gonna cut all of them. There's like a little bit of a clear, see? I don't know if you can see that on the camera. There's like a little overhang, so I'm gonna take that off. And then the top as well. I want everything contained in a box this time. Okay, so there we go. And now the orange box. I want this as straight as possible. Okay. And then we have those two. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna add those little half circles And not only do they look great, because the other ones take up a little bit too much room for me, but they also like give you double the amount of bullet points, which is amazing, right? Okay, and now it's time for yellow. And I think I'm gonna take this large flat one that's already edged. I think this will fit into the box pretty perfectly, and I'll just have to cut top and the bottom. Oh, I love these stickers so much. I do struggle with lifting them up a little bit, but no big deal. Here we go. It's good that they're sticky. They're not going to be coming off of my page. Look how pretty. So we have I want a faint yellow box. And I'm going to use 2 bullet points and I'm going to cut them in half again. Same thing. And for those tiny little things, I like to use my tweezers. I think it's so more precise and easier to manage those little dots. Beautiful. Okay, next up we have this amazing green color. And I don't know which green I should use, but I do want to fill up the box, so let's take a look. I'm gonna take this side one and then use the side of it. Hopefully that works. Let's see, let me move it up so I can get more of those leaves in there. Yep, okay, that's good. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the side, and I want to edge that because I don't want to ruin any of the yellow flowers by mistake. Now let's lift those leaves up and look for a green box. I wonder how many of you ended up buying this sticker book. I really do think this sticker book is so incredible and different and just so much fun. And florals are 100% my thing and I love them. So just having it makes such a big difference. I love it. I think if I didn't, I missed out on this, I'd be really sad. I love these stickers and seeing everybody's spreads is making me like so antsy to use this. So finally I sat down and used it. So excited about this. Look how beautiful. So I'm gonna cut the bottom so it's not overhanging. I know it's just a little bit of clear foil, but I like my things pretty precise. Okay, and now time for the blue. Beautiful. This sticker is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm just peeling it up to make sure I contain it within the box, which to me is so exciting because again, I love the way this is starting to look. I wasn't sure how I'm going to feel about it, but the more I look at it, the more I love it. I knew I'm going to love the florals and in my boxes, but I wasn't sure whether the center for those flowers is the best position, but I think so. It draws my eye right to the center, and then I can have my appointments and then my like list of stuff to do between them, like either on top or below, which is amazing, right? So here we go. And let me go ahead and move that up. And one more. Beautiful. Okay, so blue is done. We have purple next. Or violet. Maybe that's violet. So I'm gonna use this and I'm just gonna put it in a way where I only have to cut one part. Let's see if that works. Am I not? I'm not sure. If it doesn't, I'll take it off and do something else, but hopefully it does. Let's see. Yeah, I think that looks good, especially with the sundae being kind of similar but the other way. So then I'm gonna use this beautiful box. I'm gonna cut up some light purple bullet points. I ruined one, so I'm just gonna do another one, and I'm gonna have one of them ruined, which is okay. It happens. So let's place that down. Beautiful. Same thing below. Here we go. One, then the other. And as you can see, I don't space them evenly. I want them kind of staggered in a different way. I think that's more fun and kind of visually more appealing than everything being at the same level. Even when I write my plans, it's gonna be at different levels, and I think that's gonna give it a very beautiful aesthetic. Okay, now we have a dark one. I'm gonna start with the box first. And I'm gonna pick my florals, and I think I want something different, so maybe I'll use this bouquet. And sorry, my head is sticking in here. I apologize. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, and let me lift those up, and then I need to do my little bullet points for this one. And I think I'm gonna pull like a black box for the side, and that's where I'm gonna make my list. So that's kind of the plan. I think that might work. Oh my gosh, I am already loving this. Now I need my bullet points, so let me cut those up. Oh yeah, definitely in love with this. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. I was thinking about adding one more color to the sidebar, but I think I want to keep it the way it is and just add a black box and kind of cover up that to-do. So I use the colorful boxes. but yeah, and it's already lined, so I don't have to make any additional marks, which I think is great. And then this way I can go ahead and write out my actual to-do list on here, and then write the day specific things on to the planner. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!